What's up guys, it's Clay here from Varus Engineering, and today we're going to be installing our universal jack pucks on our VB Subaru WRX right here. These pucks are going to be terrific for you guys that maybe have been using the factory jack points, the pinch welds to jack the car up. Maybe they're damaged, maybe you just want to ensure that they don't get damaged. This is the perfect product for you. Let's get on to the install. Tools required for this install will obviously be a floor jack, since we can't really install these on a lift, a 5mm Allen key or socket, as well as some red Loctite. All right, so what you're gonna get with the kit, you're gonna get 4 jack pucks. They are all the same, so there is no lefts and rights here. But we do offer these in blue, black, and red to suit your needs. And then you're obviously gonna get some M6 socket heads to install these. All right, so first step of the process here, take your socket heads. We're gonna just do one at a time. We're gonna put a dab of red Loctite on there. This is just gonna ensure that the bolts do not come loose while they're on the car. That's honestly probably a little too much, but it'll be all right. And then we're gonna thread these in to start. Now what I would do, I would thread it all the way in until it's flush with this back side here. It's just gonna make it a little bit easier to install once we get done in the car. You can probably barely see it in there, but it is flush. So let's get the other one installed real quick. All right, time to get underneath the car. Now that we're under the car, you can get a nice view of where we will be installing this. After we got our screws already put in, we're installing right between these 2 divots. We're gonna put the Varus logo out, push it up as high as you can, give it a couple taps, and then I'm just gonna use my socket on the back side here to snug these up. And then once we get them snugged up, we'll use a ratchet and we will tighten them down. There you have it, fully installed universal jack puck. As mentioned, this is on our VB Subaru WRX, but these will work for a lot of other Subaru platforms, maybe even Toyota platforms. And that's all she wrote. It really is that simple. Depending on how quickly you can move the jack around, you can probably get these installed in 10 to 15 minutes. But if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please comment in the section below, as well as send us an email, sales@varus-engineering.com. And until next time, see you later.